Hey, puppy dog, did you apply for a job at Mojo's coffee shop? Yes, I applied for a job at Mojo's coffee shop. So we have cappuccinos for people to buy. They're only 99 cents. What a ripoff. You see, that's cheap to buy cappuccino. You see, we can buy free donuts and fudge rounds and zebra cakes. Welcome to Mojo's coffee shop. How can I help you? I'll get 3 of the zebra cakes and some hash browns and a white chocolate caramel cappuccino. Your total $6. Wow. After buying all this stuff with my birthday money. Oh boy. Well, see ya, folks.